Welcome back, guys. So this is an update on my fishing game. So of course you remember this, by the way. So I just got these new hooks. So basically, I got new stuff. So basically, this is new. Oh, this is still the same. So it's just the same stuff that I showed you guys. But this is the new one. So so this pocket is going to have, the 50-pound line that I had. So that's what it is. So that's what I have in that one. And then this one, sorry about the line, I got a new line. A 10-pound line. Yeah. 300 yards. It's pretty good. It seems I'm going to use that. I got some weights. So the thing that how it works is you do that, and then you can just take. I do not know how much weights there are. Okay, there's 78 pieces. Maybe you can see that. Yeah, I don't know if you can actually see it, but it's 78. I'm just closing this one out. So I was going to do an unboxing video, but the lighting for the video was terrible. And the lighting still is pretty bad. So this is gonna have something special, because I have this. I don't think I ever showed you guys this. Yeah, I did. Sorry then. But I have more stuff. And also, of course, these lizards, which I haven't used yet. But these, yeah. So I got Yamamoto cousin bait. These are pretty good because when I was in New York, I caught how many fish did I actually catch? I caught 2 fish on the lake. And then I caught a few more. I want to say maybe 5 or 6 bass. And I met this kid that let me use his bait castle, which is pretty nice of him, because I want to see how good they are. And he used the artificial shrimp bait. So I got 3 rock bass on them. Of course, this I will show you guys. But here's the new thing. Yep. Yeah. Got some of these worms. And to be honest, they are so weird to touch. It's just slimy. And the smell of it is kind of really disgusting. Yeah, disgusting. Which means fish would go after it. Got some white ones. But the thing I am excited the most are these. I have 2 colors, black and I guess red, orange, which I'm excited to use. Yeah, they also smell just like the worms, which means better chance of catching fish. I have to go and wash my hands after this because I'm gonna smell like worms. So yeah, and I got 2 more containers so I can put all these in here. So yeah. And if I can get it, I got pliers. So if I ever get a line tangled, I just bang. Even though I do have that. Let me just get it real quick. Now I got this. It's yes, there are hooks. I got to it. I'm legit trying to not. Oh god. I'm trying to not stab myself because I'm not trying to get stabbed by any hooks. So yeah, I got this and this. So the person that got me this is his name is Matt. And yeah, thanks to him that I got this. And I'm really sure that, and he most likely had my mom send all this to me. So it would just be easier, I guess. So yeah. So I'm going to hopefully make a lot more YouTube videos of fishing, especially when I have all these. So yeah, I'm going to probably. So I'm actually going to do something different where I'm going to put down YouTubers that I watch in the description so you guys can check them out, and they do make fishing videos. So yeah, I think you guys should go and check them out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, leave a like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me if you do, and you won't regret it. And I will be making better YouTube videos eventually. So yeah, I'm just trying to make as much videos as possible on my iPod, just playing like all the games I have on it. Here I get like a camera and PC to make videos on my Xbox and videos on the PC itself. So yeah, and this is what every YouTuber does. They have to start small and eventually get tons of subscribers. So yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video, please, it would mean a lot if you like and subscribe and share this video with any of your friends. And if you love fishing, go out and go fishing. See you in the next one.